Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to talk about the Cuisinart 10-cup coffee center with a single brewer capsule coffee maker. You may also want to check out the Cuisinart 12-cup copper-colored coffee center with a single brewer capsule coffee maker, or the Cuisinart 12-cup black-silver colored coffee center, or the Cuisinart 12-cup black-colored coffee center. They all work in a similar manner as the Cuisinart coffee maker that I will talk about in this video. Remember, if you're interested in buying one of these Cuisinart coffee makers, please use one of my Amazon links below. Amazon will give me a small commission if you buy one of these coffee makers using one of my links. Thank you. So this coffee maker is like a 2-in-1 coffee maker. On the left side is a 10-cup coffee maker, and on the right side is a single-serve coffee maker that uses coffee capsules. Let's talk about the single-serve part first. It is compatible with any brand of single-cup pod, including the Keurig K-Cup pods. This is a very good coffee here. It is the original Donut Shop Keurig single-serve K-Cup pods. It is a medium roast, caffeinated coffee. Not too harsh, not too bitter, extra bold, contains more coffee than regular K-Cup pods. Included with this coffee maker is the Cuisinart Home Barista Reusable Filter Cup. If you ground your own coffee, you can put up to 15 grams of ground coffee into this cup pod. How to use the single-serve coffee side. 1. Remove the 40-ounce water reservoir and fill it to the fill line. Then put the water reservoir back into the coffee maker. 2. Power on the coffee maker. The power button is located here on the side. 3. Place a mug on the drip tray. The drip tray can be removed in order to place a travel mug. 4. Open the brew head and place a capsule in the brewing chamber, then close the brew head. You have a choice of 6-ounce, 8-ounce, or 10-ounce brew. 5. Press one of the brew buttons to begin brewing. The selected brew button will flash slowly while brewing. Now let's talk about the 10-cup brew side. The carafe is made of doubled-wall stainless steel instead of glass, thus is more efficient in retaining heat. The control panel. To set the clock, turn this knob to clock and set the hours and minutes with these buttons. You can hold down the buttons to scroll through the digits faster. Be sure the PM indicator is on if the PM time is desired. When the clock stops flashing, the time is set. The programmable timer. You can set the coffee maker to brew coffee at a particular time. Turn this knob to program. Set the time you want the coffee maker to start brewing in the morning. Then turn the knob to auto on. Then press the brew button. The auto on light will turn blue, and the clock will display the current time. To brew coffee at the current moment, turn this knob to brew and press the brew button. This blue indicator light will flash slowly while coffee is brewing. You can set this ready tone knob to on, and the coffee maker will beep when the coffee is ready. The bold button. Push the bold button if you would like a stronger brew. The bold button will illuminate blue after you press it. Okay, that is it. The instructions that come with this coffee maker are very good, and I hope that you enjoy this coffee maker.